My dog is so spoiled. I literally bought her a stroller. Shar, do you like it, Mama? We gotta put some toys in it and decorate it. Decorate it, I mean like with blankets, but put her little bowl and stuff in there. But she can look out this way, like when she's laying down, and then she has this way, and then when I'm pushing her, I can look right here and hand her treats, stuff like that. And then I have cup holder, cell phone holder, and then I got the one with the thing underneath, so that when I'm at flea markets and stuff like that, I can put the things I buy down here, and I'm not holding it all. Bougie. Y'all have kids, I have dogs, so don't come for me.
The video. Of course. Who wants the button?